Recently, I sent my video, "It's Not the Size of the Dog in the Fight," to David at San Joaquin Valley Transparency, and he did a video covering the entire thing just a few days later. He gives some pretty epic commentary on it, and he's been able to send somewhere around 1,000 plus subscribers to my channel. I'm going to keep this one short, but I'll leave the link to his video in the description. I don't have nearly the size of a channel as he does, but go over, give him some love, and tell him Teresa sent you.
So, totally blown away. What's up, Joey? Good to see you, bro. Totally blown away by her work. She's been putting in work for a minute. She's the one that had the video where she got body slammed by the cop, and then later on, that same cop pulls her over, and because of the lawsuit, the cop was forced to leave her alone. The supervisor calls and was like, "Nah, let her go, man. We ain't trying to mess with this woman." But you guys are about to see why, and they shouldn't mess with this woman. She's tough, man.
In California. Then Jonathan Redford loses his 20-year partnership in the firm. I mean, ouch. Your attorney was forced to leave his stable, long-standing career at Carpenter Rothins with his tail between his legs. That must have chapped his ass that the time of running from his sins had come to an end. After I reported Teixeira's blunder, the judge ordered them all, Redford, Teixeira, and your chosen law firm, to try and talk their way out of how in the world learned counsel got caught with their pants down by one with no formal training in the law. And rather than unwinding them from their incompetence, their 3 confessions also got Teixeira sanctioned by the court, and not only did your shamed attorney lose his 20-year partnership, but he's been referred over to the Standards Committee for investigation and further disciplinary measures, as well as his entire firm. Apparently, this is a very big deal.
Yeah, so she straight up put them in check, dude. And she sent me an email. Let me see if I can find it really quick and read what she says, because she does a lot of pro se work, and she has told me that she's willing to help some people.
I did a live stream with David as well about a week after this, and I'll also leave a link to that in the description. See you soon.